Alright then, welcome back everyone. Let's continue our SQL50 series then. The question name is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Now this is a simple question based on joins, so let's just quickly solve it then. We're given two tables here. First one is employees. It has two columns, ID and name. Another one is ID and unique ID. And I guess if I'm not wrong, this ID is a foreign key to the primary key in this table. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. So these two IDs refer to the same guy. And what we effectively want to do is we want to print this name and unique ID for all the unique IDs. So that's what they've written, right? Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user, right? So you join these two tables based on this ID, and then you have to show the unique ID of each user. And like in the output format, you can see they are also expecting the name. So these are the two tables, right? What they're asking is just show the unique ID of each user. So for example, like see this 1190 and 3, right? So this ID 1190 and 3 is here also, right? 31190. So map this guys, this mayor with 11, right? So 11 with 2, so 2 mayor. Then 90 here Winston, and here 90 is 3, so 3 Winston, right? I'm doing nothing, I'm just making sure. For example, here 3 Jonathan, right? So where is 3 here? 3 is here, right? 3 1. So I'm just mapping this Jonathan with this 1. Right, so you just join these tables based on this ID and print unique ID and name for that person. If that guy doesn't have a unique ID, which it looks to be the case here, like because for example here Alice and Bob, they don't have a unique ID present. In that case, just show null here. Now you're getting null here, right? So one thing is for sure, you're joining these two tables based on ID, but if some value doesn't exist on the left, you get null. Does that ring a bell to you? Like, what is this? This is left join, right? So this is what? You are of course getting A intersection B, but along with it, you're also getting entries of the table A, right? So in the end, what is a table, guys? A table is just a relation, right? Uh, if you know about RDBMS, a table is just a relation or a set. So what you're effectively doing is you are effectively getting all the rows of table A, right? Effectively, you are getting all the rows of this table A, right? And along with those which match, you're also getting their values. I mean, with those match means this one, right? So you're getting all the values for this table, and those who have a match, this 1193, you're also getting those values, the intersection, right? So what you're doing is you want to perform a left join here, and on the left side, this employees table will be there. So I'll come back to what do I have to select. Select star from employees E, and you want to now perform left join. Okay, left join this employee uni table. I'll call it EU. And what is the column here? The column is e.id equals to eu.id. So I've just given them aliases. So I'm performing a left join using these two tables. This keeping this table at the left because I effectively want all the entries of this table, right? And what you want is you want unique ID. So where is unique ID? Unique ID is at EU, employee uni table, right? So EU.unique ID, and you want e.name, right? And they have asked if there is no unique ID for a user, just show null, and this will do effectively, right? When you perform a left join, if unique ID is not existing, it will show null. So let me just run it and see if it works. Yeah, it works. So what effectively you did is you just performed a left join and fetched the respective columns, right? So that's that for this video. I'll see you in the next one.